Hi everyone. So it's been a fucking minute since I filmed. Thanks for coming back. So today I want to film some stuff that I got for Christmas. Most importantly is the new Pat McGrath eyeshadow palette. I got the Mothership eyeshadow palette that I'll be showing you in a minute. And surprisingly, I am not drunk in tonight's video. I know, like, my whole thing is I like to do drunk tutorials because they're more fun. But first of all, it's a Thursday night, so I'm like, I have to work tomorrow. Second of all, like, I've been drinking for like the last 8 days straight. Like, New Year's was like, holy shit. We called it Death Weekend, like, me and my friends, because we were just drunk like literally all weekend, like Friday to Monday. There was like no breaks. So I'm just like trying to give my liver a little bit of a rest. So, all right, let's get into this tutorial. So here is the palette. This is the packaging it came in. It's so cool, especially this little like tie thing. And here is the palette itself. It's like super heavy. That's how you know it's expensive. And, oh. So there's like pretty much an equal number of these neutral matte shades and then these shiny shades, which these two for sure are duochrome. Those are my favorites. It also comes with this little card that shows you the names of the shades. So I'm going to go in first with what's called Ultimate Taupe, which is this neutral tan shade in the middle here. Sorry if there's some noise in the background. It's raining, but I had to open my window because it's like so fucking hot in here. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with this darker brown shade that's called Depth, to add more depth. Guess that's why they named it that. You know, I like to do the cut crease effect, so I'm going to use some concealer to get that effect going. For the main part of the lid in the center, I'm going to go in with this very vibrant blue shade. Been peeping that one. That one's called Blitz Blue. And I'm going to take that on just a wetted flat brush. For the inner corner of the lid, I'm going to go in with this shade on the corner. It's hard to tell, but it's a white shade, but it's like a duochrome and has blue glitter in it. That one's called Astral White. So just to keep up with the blue theme here, I'll take that on a more narrow brush, also wet. For the outer corner, I'm just going to go in with this matte black shade here called Extreme Black. Very fitting. I feel like all the names in this palette are like very fitting names for these shades. And now time to add a wing, of course. I just ended up with little baby wings today, which is fine. I didn't want to make them any bigger and fuck them up like I always do. So I'm going to move on to my face for now and come back and finish the eyes later. So I'm going to prep my skin with this unicorn oil. I tried it out in my last video. I definitely can't just use it alone because I need something for my pores, but I do like to put it on to prep my skin. It smells nice and it feels nice, and it's moisturizing. For my usual primer, I'll go in with my Milk Makeup Blur Stick. But all these little zits popping up everywhere. over the last few days. I blame partying all weekend. That must be it. I finally got new foundation that matches me better than the Kat Von D one that I was using. I don't think I've used this one in any of my videos yet, the Hourglass stick. I wanted to try a stick foundation just for something different. And I've been waiting like 2 months for the Fenty foundation to come back in stock, and it didn't look like it was going to anytime soon, so I just bought something in the interim so I at least had something to match my face. But I finally ordered my Fenty foundation. It was supposed to come today, but it's delayed because of all the storms, I guess. So it'll probably be here tomorrow, so too late for this video. But this one's also new to me, so I've been using this one for a few weeks. I like it so far. It's just a little bit harder to blend than liquid, obviously. Okay, next time for some concealer. I'm running low on Shape Tape. I'm sad, but good thing I just got an Ulta gift card for Christmas. Also, I got $175 worth of Sephora gift cards all together, so I'm pretty fucking excited about that. Like, I'm easy to shop for. People know me. Sephora gift card, I'm happy. So I haven't been contouring lately because I find that whenever I put on contour, it just like seems to break apart my foundation. Like my foundation breaks apart really easily on my face anyway, no matter which one I'm using. I don't know why that is. It must be because my skin is like too textured. Maybe I need to exfoliate more or moisturize more. I don't know what it is, but whatever foundation I use, it just like sits really kind of nasty on my face. It looks like not good. It doesn't look smooth. And I've tried like a few foundations and I can't find one that looks like really smooth. So it must be my skin, but I don't know what to do. So whenever I put contour on, it just like pretty much like breaks up my foundation when I try to blend it in. So that's why I don't use it anymore. So if anyone has tips for like fixing that problem, I will gladly take them. Okay, now I gotta set this face. I'm running low on setting powder. So sad. I finally decided to try a new eyebrow product. I don't know if Benefit stopped making their Gimme Brow or if Sephora just sold out of it for a really long time, but I have not seen it at all on the Sephora website anymore, and I've been too lazy to go to Benefit. So I decided to try something new. My friend Kaylee tried this kit, so I decided to get it too. It's pretty cool. It came with the Cabral, which I've been kind of wanting to try. I was just like a little nervous to try something new. And then it also came with this brow setter gel. So I've been using this instead of the Gimme Brow, and it's pretty nice. And then this little highbrow thing to like clean up around the brows. It also came with stencils, but I really don't use those. So I'm still going to use my Brow Wiz, just do like a little outline first and then go in with a brow. This thing is cute. It comes with a little tiny brush attached to the top, and it's cool because you can either use it like this or you can attach it to this part to make it like a little bit longer. And I'm using shade 5 in this, which is the second to darkest. Okay, sorry for that interruption. My boss just called me and it's like 6:30 at night, so I'm not on the clock or anything. So I was just like, oh shit. And I was just like sitting there for a minute, like, do I answer? Okay, anyway, back to eyebrows. And then I'm going to use the highbrow that came in that little kit just to clean up the edges. These brows be looking fresh now. My underbrow highlight, I'm going to use the shimmer shade in the corner. This one is called Skin Show Nude Scandalous. This has just a nice, very subtle shimmer to it, so it's perfect for the underbrow highlight. To set my brows, I'm going to use this 24-hour brow setter. I'm going to use this Urban Decay waterline eyeliner for the lower waterline. I'm going to blend that into the lower lash line using that same matte black shade from the palette. I'm just going to soften up the black eyeshadow a little bit with the brown shade I used in my crease earlier. And I'm going to do a little bit of bronzer in place of contouring. Now time for a little bit of blush to finish the face. Don't you just love when you just open brand new mascara? Doesn't it just like make you feel so fresh and like you have your life together? I just got new ones. Oh my god, not to brag, but my eyelashes look amazing right now. This is what happens when you open a brand new tube of their real mascara. This is why this is my favorite. So long, perfectly separated, never clumpy. If you're not gonna wear false eyelashes like I don't, then this is your best friend. By the way, I saw this hack on Instagram. This girl was doing a makeup tutorial and got mascara on her face, and she used like one of these little spoolie brushes to just wipe it off after it had dried. And it came off just like that without ruining her makeup. And I tried it and it actually works. I cannot believe I didn't know about this before because I get mascara on my face constantly. It's a great tip. To finish the eyes, I'm going to add a little bit of inner corner highlight, and I'm going to use the shade on the end. It's like a duochrome pink blue. I used this on my lid the other night going out and it looked so pretty. This one is called VR Violet. This is probably definitely my favorite shade in the palette. Another thing I got for Christmas is this new Too Faced Diamond Light highlighter, and oh my god, I'm obsessed with it. It's amazing. The cute little package it's in, I can't get over it. And then look. Ooh, let me turn my brightness down. It's kind of hard to see. There we go. So basically it just has like a ton of different colors in it. Like reflection, it's so pink, blue, green, everything. It's so pretty. I pretty much just wear this every day now. I mean, it goes with everything. It's like every color in it. I can't help it. For the lips, I'm feeling like doing something a little bold. So I just got this new Jeffree Star lipstick. I actually got 4 of them, my last package. But this is one of the new ones from his family collection. Diamond. It's so cute. Like, obviously, where the fuck am I gonna wear this? Like, I can't wear it to work or anything, but it's so cute. I just had to get it. So I'm gonna go in with this since a tutorial is probably the only place I'll be able to wear it. It's my first time putting it on my lips. I did use it as like a center to make an ombre effect when I wore a different shade, but I haven't worn it by itself yet. That's so cute. Oh my god. I have to say, Jeffree Star lipsticks are like the best. The liquid lipsticks for staying in place, like they are totally makeup proof. Don't ask me how I know that, although I guess you can probably guess. So the main reason I wanted to try this lipstick actually is because I saw on Instagram, I think it was on the Jeffree Star page, somebody had this lipstick on with Jeffree over the top, which is the mirror, the compact I've been using, and it looks so beautiful. So I think I'm going to try that, but I also wanted to do a gloss over the top, and I can't decide which. So I'm just going to try this first, see how it looks, and then I'll just put gloss over it. Why not? Okay, that is so freaking cute. I love it. So anyway, what I really wanted to do was put a little gloss over the top. I can't remember if I had this in my last video. That's how long it's been since I filmed, but I don't think I did. These little Huda Beauty lip strobes, and they came out with this cute little 4-pack of minis for Christmas, and the shades are so cute. So I'm going to go in with the one with the blue sparkles in it, and this one is called Bewitched. The gloss is actually mixing with the highlighter a little bit. It's like giving a little bit of pink sparkles to it. I like it. You know, I love liquid lipsticks because they stay in place so well, they don't smear, and they're less messy, but I just love me a good gloss. I love the shine of it. All right, so here we have the final look. All right, thanks for watching. Hopefully see you soon. Hope everyone had a great New Year holidays. Bye.